We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. So when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, we have to show it to the world. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to customer satisfaction. So, whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value all customers, new and old, and treat them equally with great customer service. Visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.